All right, so we're back, and you guys probably want to know what's going on with the clutch job in the Subaru. I also want to know that. I'm getting so tired of driving my truck everywhere. Yeah, so basically, it's been a couple months. It got really cold this winter and hit me pretty hard. So I took a long break from it, and we're back now. We got the transmission back in. We got the mounts, everything torqued down. Got the starter motor back in. My buddy Gunther came over this past weekend and helped me bleed the air from the clutch slave cylinder. There was some air trapped in there from it just kind of hanging above the level of the master cylinder for all those months. To be honest, I was a little bit uncertain of the results of that just because the clutch pedal still feels kind of light to me based on my memory, but also the worn clutch could have been extra heavy feeling. And, you know, when we finished bleeding it, there were no bubbles left, and it does appear to be fully actuating the clutch release fork. So we're going to put it back together and see how it works. And that's pretty much where we'll have to leave it for now because I actually have to get a new drive shaft. I ordered it just the other day. Should be here in a few days. Yeah, I can't really show you what's wrong with it on video because it's something you have to feel. But basically, you know, you articulate this joint one direction and it feels smooth. The other direction, it feels crunchy. So basically, all we have left to do here is put on the drive shaft, the exhaust system, and the wheels, and she's ready to start up, do an oil change, do a test drive. Got to get some insurance, but yeah, ready to rock, boys. Well, yeah, you gotta do shit, otherwise shit'll never get done. God damn.